Boost your health with the power of blueberries. Watch the video now to explore their amazing benefits for your body and mind. Are blueberries really a nutritional powerhouse? Blueberries offer remarkable health benefits, from heart and brain protection to enhancing muscle function and eye health. Enjoy blueberries daily, but avoid overconsumption to prevent gastrointestinal issues. They're generally safe and beneficial. Blueberries contain more antioxidants per serving than plums, strawberries, or cranberries, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular blueberry intake can improve artery function and reduce risk factors for heart disease and diabetes. Studies show blueberries enhance memory and psychomotor function, contributing to cognitive health and preventing cognitive decline. Blueberries' polyphenols reduce exercise-induced muscle damage, aiding in strength recovery and muscle function. Anthocyanins in blueberries protect vision and eye health, while fiber supports weight management and digestive well-being. Blueberries boost skin health by mitigating environmental damage, providing essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin K. Select firm, plump blueberries and store them refrigerated. Increase intake by adding them to beverages, salads, baked goods, and more. Incorporate blueberries into your diet through smoothies, oatmeal, overnight oats, mock cobbler, or frozen treats for a nutritious boost. Blueberries are a powerhouse fruit, rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, making them a delicious and healthful addition to any meal.